Alright, hi, it's Heather Montenegro again. This is week 2, the second lab. So what I've done is sterilize my workstation. I've got test tubes in a little holder, which they don't fit, so I kind of have it turned sideways so they're falling all over, which will be fun. I've got my Petri dishes labeled, my alcohol, and some distilled water. Got my apron on and my little mask, and I'm going to use my glasses for safety goggles. So first I'm going to do is I've piped up a little bit of alcohol into the pipe, and I'm going to just disperse it out and shake it to make sure it's dry. And let's see, we're going to pipe some water into each test tube. I think it's probably 2. So 2 into each test tube. Seems like everything in my little lab kit was kind of off. So I'm going to fill up, again, all these little test tubes. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to draw up some of the yeast mixture. We're going to add it to the first tube. And then we're going to take from the first tube and add into second tube into third into fourth into fifth into sixth, and so on. Then I'm going to take a small amount and I'm going to add it onto each Petri dish when I'm done. I'm going to let that sit for 12 hours, and then I'll invert him, and then we'll let it incubate for another 36 hours. Oh, and it's Tuesday, the 16th. So I'm just going to go ahead and give this a little swirl. Every time I pour this yeast, I feel like we should add a little sugar, feed them. Okay, so I'm going to have to kind of organize here. They've kind of fallen, so I'm going to put 4, 5, 6. Okay. So let's see. I've swirled the yeast, and now we're going to add, like I said, a little bit at a time. So into 1, and then I'm going to kind of pipe it up and down, make sure it's mixed. So then I'm going to pipe that into 2. Into 3, and so on. And then the last one. Okay, so then I'm just going to fill up the Petri dishes here. Actually, I'm going to turn them over. So I'm going to pipe a small amount on, give it a swirl, and then we'll let it incubate. So let me just work quickly here, and then when I'm done, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Glasses are fogging. So a couple drops. Let's see. Place it comes and swirl gently. Put the lid on. Kind of give that a swirl. And then I'm going to go down and just complete the rest. I may have gotten confused. I don't know. I think I mixed my 3 and 4 up. So I'll just relabel those. So at least I know 5 and 6 are right. Put that back in my alcohol. Swirl. And there we go. So I'll check them in 12 hours. And then we'll invert them and then wait 36. Okay, see you in a bit.